What's good, y'all? It's y'all boy John. I'm back with another reaction today. Chainsaw Man. I've been looking forward to this one. I feel like it's gonna be big three. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like it most definitely gonna take Naruto's spot, but without like shitting on Naruto, you know, Naruto's the GOAT. You feel me? Again, it's just a joke. Nah, no dick suck. I was reading a little bit of this back in 2018. But I stopped at a certain point because I wanted the chapters to kind of build up, and it turned into a thing where I never really like went back to read it. But I'm gonna like go back and read it after I watch this episode because I already know this shit about to be a banger. But other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and react to this.
仕事行くか。
Okay, working class man. I know the grind. You feel me?
木切って月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。
Yeah.
目が30万。
Oh, this nigga selling his body. I remember that. He was like selling parts of himself and shit.
10万もしなかったんだっけ。
Cool fuck.
残りの借金が3804万円。ポチた。分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。悪魔を1体殺せばだいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
Listen, you have think if you said devil hunting is the best, then why do you have to sell his kidney and his eye, bro? I don't get it. Hey, I'm gonna let the man hoop. A little Robin to it. Oh, that was far. That was far.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで。
Tomato devil. It's also One Punch Man vibes.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。報酬は40万だ。
おざす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数
The interest. What, bruh? This is exactly how they try you in the house and car industry, bro. Exactly. You think you're getting the shit, and then, oh no, we got added interest. We got added on these monthly fee, additional sentiments and shit, bro. That's how you gotta use your head and try to say, nah, BG, I don't want all that shit. You get this man dead. You could technically beat that old nigga's ass, but like, yeah, he's just gonna listen and follow. This is what it is. That's bullshit. That's still a lot though. I ain't gonna lie.
他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな。もう残り1800円になっちゃった。家に食いもんねえし。今月はこのまま暮らさない。
It goes in yen terms, so 70k is probably though. I don't know. I mean, that's still kind of a lot. I have to do a quick Google search.
落ちた。今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ。
But in Japan, that's not too much money.
なんで長きをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
悪魔をかけてデビルハンターが務まるんですかね。
So they're using him
デビルハンターはな。俺たち
to pay off his dad's debt.
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
Whatever you told. Now they get you, bro.
おい犬、このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
100 yen if you eat the cigarette, bro.
マジっすか。
He's gonna do it. Oh, that's fuck. This bitch ass nigga.
出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
And these niggas talking down on them after you just did a good job. Like, what the fuck? No, you didn't actually eat it.
これで3日は食えるね。この間聞いたんだけどさ、普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。
My nigga only eating a slice of bread.
付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし、デートする金もねえ。夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Yeah, his only dream is some pussy. I mean, I could fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with that notion. Some want to be Martin Luther King. Some want to be LeBron James. This man just wants some pussy, bro. Maybe give my man some pussy.
ガキ、物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70万よ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Yeah, they were trying this man's life since he was a jit, bro. Imagine you get pulled up on by a dog with a chainsaw for a head. Out.
お前も死ぬのか。カメ、悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくない
Drinking blood heals a devil.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。
This is how he bonded with the devil. The devil sucked his blood. That's how they made it like a little pact.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
Damn clear.
腹減って眠れ。
Bro, that old nigga is an asshole, bro. Instead of taking up the little I'm not saying you could have adopted him or some shit. Have you seen this guy? Even if the other guy has some debt to pay it off, you could at least, alright, let's cut this kid a break. Find him in a retirement home or some shit. Or better yet, just leave him off the street. But I'm telling this kid, go kill some demons, go sell parts of your body. This shit is fucked.
寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。
Oh, when he can't sleep, you thought.
今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って、ポチタと食って、女とイチャイチャしたりして、一緒に部屋でゲームして
I'll play
流
video
れ
games
流れ
and then he'll fall asleep. This man just wants a girl, bro. And just wants a girl and to feed his little dog. Oh, bro is sick. You know, I heard my mom died from some heart disease that made her cough up blood. Oh shit. I didn't catch that in the manga. It's been a while since I read that. I got a devil for you, Denji. Time to work. I feel sorry for Denji, bro. I wish they'd at least let me dream. Damn, bro. Bruh, I haven't read like the rest of the manga, but I swear Machina is better than this fuckhead, bro. There's a devil in here. Bruh, please tell me this old nigga gets clapped. Please. I do not like this dude. Bitch ass nigga. Denji, my boy, we're pretty grateful to you, you know. Oh, one acknowledgement. You're as loyal as a dog, and you work for cheap like one too. That's fucked up. Your problem with dogs is it? I can't stand the stench. Oh wow. What the fuck? Is he a zombie? Then Yakuza think about getting bigger and making more money. This bitch ass nigga. Wait, he's a demon? He did like I made a deal with a devil. Oh, we wanted demonic power. And I want devil hunters. What the fuck? This is fucked, bro. This is on some fucking Silent Hill type shit. Total. I offer them a bit of demonic power and they offer to become my slaves. Bro, this is weird. This is wild. Even though the power turns them into a zombie. I'm the zombie devil. What the fuck? I hate devil hunters because you are around killing us. That makes sense, so I'm gonna kill you. That makes sense. Tear him apart and toss him in the trash. That's one thing, I love the music so far. It's really tense. Animation is fire. Like the leg movements and damn, man's got a heart disease, bro. God. Yo. They're fucking my man's up. He's not gonna be able to walk. It's not like I'm asking to be rich. For real, man, I just wanna live. All I want is a normal life. And Denji. I can't even have that. The man's down terrible. That is all? Oh shit, they fucked his ass up. There's a good chance I'm gonna die fighting a devil. My only regret would be leaving you on your own. They're trying to make a real nigga tear up. It's not working. That shit's sad though. I've heard some devils can take over dead bodies. If that's something you can do, then I want you to have my body. Oh shit. The Yakuza won't be on your case, and you can wait until I've been buried, and then you can move out of here and then. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. Shit, dude. You gotta make my dream come true. Oh shit, he's repairing them. Oh, he's combining his... Bro, this is weird, bro. He's kind of like... The dog is combining himself with the dude. Did you take my body like I said? I always love hearing you talk. Oh shit, you could talk about your dreams, didn't you? Here's the deal. I'll give you my heart. And in exchange, I want you to show me your dreams. Oh damn. W Pochita, bro. W fucking dog, bro. Oh, you about to fuck my nigga about to fuck these niggas up, I bet. I bet ugly ass boy. About to get packed up in minus 1.2 0.0 seconds, bitch ass nigga. I seriously hate devil hunters. Shut your bitch ass up, boy. Oh, fuck these niggas up, Denji. Fuck these niggas up, Denji. These scrubs. Fucking bots, bro. Am I the same? I wasn't satisfied with the happiness I had with Pochito. Kept dreaming about a better life. I guess we all dream about stuff like this. Bro, these fucking grunts, bro. Fuck these grunts up. And I won't. Yeah, sir. We get it our way, bitch ass boy. Huh? Fuck all them niggas, bro. You'll die. I let them get their licks in. And watch, you're gonna celebrate. He's bound to stay dead after being eaten. Your bitch ass up, my boy. Watch. Fuck all these niggas up. Ooh, I love the sound. Oh, the chainsaw sound. Bitch ass boy. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, that shit. He kind of like, bro, he kind of like Wolverine type shit. Like, the shit shows in his hand. Oh, yes, sir. What are you? Nigga, that about to fuck your ass up. Means you're one of us. Shut up. Bitch ass boy. Oh. Fuck, nigga. What's good? All that shit you was talking. Fuck out, nigga. Oh. Bro, this villain is so weird, bro. You using like his intestines for tentacles or something? Ate that shit. Oh. Hey yo, I fuck with it so heavy. Yo, bro, the design and everything is just so fire. Ooh. Yo. Pat this nigga up. Pat this nigga up, Denji. L villain design, L everything. Pat this nigga up, Denji. This bitch ass nigga. Ooh. Yo, he's scraping his brains out. This bitch ass nigga up, yo. Fuck out of here. Big Denji in the building. See, Naruto can never. I'm just saying, bro. I'm looking at this dead first. Naruto can never. The design, the fucking character, W character design, W background, W world, bro. Naruto can never. I'm sorry. Only Luffy and Ichigo can. Well, you hired me to be a devil hunter, so I better kill all the devils, right? Yeah, that's right, my boy. Oh, this man is wild. Once you're all dead, I won't owe a damn thing. Oh, yes, sir. This is a W to design, a W revenge story. Yes, sir, bro. I fuck with this so heavy. This shit is so gruesome, and I love, bro. Someone got here before us. Oh, this is Makino. I'll be frightened, I ain't gonna lie. I see a fucking chainsaw nigga. There's still one alive. She going near that nigga? Bro, she got balls. You got a strange smell. Not like a human or a devil. How does she know from the jump? What is Makina, bro? I take it you did this? Hug me? Bro, this man like Wolverine, bro. I fuck with this so heavy. This is so original. Oh, and that shit evaporates like it's fucking like goo or some shit. This is interesting. Any chance he's possessed? No. I can tell who's possessed if I look at their face. I came here to kill the zombie devil. Don't worry, my baby, that nigga packed up. She a devil hunter. You have two options. I can kill you like a devil, or I can keep you as a human. If I keep you, I'll make sure you're fed. So that's a real question. Them grunts packed up like they should be, bitch ass niggas. R.I.P. Bozo. Fuck out of here. Bread with the butter and jam salad, coffee. Look, W Machina, man. And then maybe something for dessert. Yes, sir. And some pussy on the side. Tight shit, you feel me? That sounds awesome. Hey, man. W episode. All my nigga Denji wanted was a normal life, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, damn, I don't want to dick ride this fucking this series, but I have to give that episode like a 9 out of 10. Shit was fire. It delivered everything. Honestly, I'll say this episode was better than the Bleach 1,000-Year Blood Wars first episode, bro. This shit was fire. It like delivered. Did a good backstory. I fuck with the main MC, bro. He's like a mix of like just like kind of, he gives me like some Wolverine, like some anime Wolverine vibes. You know, he got the chainsaw on the side of his hands. Like, it's a W design, and like honestly, bro, like I think this is the next big three. I ain't gonna lie. First, it's bro. Think about it, bro. We still have a couple more years of One Piece, like at least like a half a decade left of One Piece. That's one. Two, Bleach is kind of sort of coming back. Like, what y'all gotta remember is 1,000 Year Blood War isn't the only thing going on for Bleach. With Bleach, we have what's it called, Burn the Witch, which is a part of the Bleach universe, and that's still, it's still ongoing. He just hasn't started the second part of the manga yet. And then we got the cliffhanger on the what's it called, that special chapter. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, that not the OVA. Yeah, the one shot Bleach chapter. We had like a little like thing with their kids and stuff, and that ended on a cliffhanger. So like, Bleach is most likely coming back, bro. So we have One Piece, Bleach, and Chainsaw Man is still ongoing in the manga, bro. Next big three, get Boruto the fuck up on out of here, bro. Yeah, he's done, bro. Naruto is done, bro. y'all need to understand, Naruto is done, bro. Now the next new big three: One Piece, Bleach, Chainsaw Man. Fuck out of my face. Chainsaw Man out of the way. I'm standing the fuck out of this series. I'm about to make mad reviews about this series. I'm about to review the chapters. I'm about to everything, bro. Chainsaw Man in the building. Big Chainsaw Man in the building, bro. Fuck out of my face.